Now this is my AIPER EcoSurfer. Now this is an incredible machine that solar charges and it cleans the surface of the pool. It works perfectly with other pool cleaners. You can see here it's responding to this little bumper that comes with the machine. Put that little bumper in your skim basket and it keeps it from going in there. Now this has just been placed in my pool and I have been using this for a little bit and I love it. So I put it in every few days. I take it out and let it dry out, empty the debris, and let it charge with the DC charger. But it does charge with the solar battery on top, so you can leave it in there continuously. I like to keep it nice and clean. I will show you here in a second how easy it is to empty the basket, and I'll also show you my special favorite feature of the Surfer. It works so well with pool robots that you may already have. It works with any kind of robot, and it cleans the surface. Most pool cleaning robots just clean the walls and the floors and the water line for a really good one. But this one will take care of your surface. You can see its shadow, how its paddles are twirling and a little jet propulsion is taking it across the pool. Now look how it is absorbing the tiny debris that's in front of it. All that microscopic debris that affects your swim quality, it is taking it off the surface and into the pool. Sometimes the debris that falls in the water will eventually make its way down to the floor and it will be removed with your pool cleaning robots, but sometimes it doesn't. It just stays there. It gets clogged up in the skimmer basket. But this device really cleans well. It's just a glorious machine. Look at it go. Look at it take care of all that debris in its path. I just love it. I love knowing that my pool is super clean with my AIPER EcoSurfer. Let me show you some of its special features. Look how beautifully clear the water is after the EcoSurfer has cleaned the surface of the pool. It's absolutely crystal blue water. Beautiful, clean, no debris on the surface, nothing floating that shouldn't be there, just crystal clear water. Beautiful, beautiful, clean pool thanks to the AIPER EcoSurfer. And there it is, charging up for the next time. What a great tool this is to keep your pool at its optimum best.